Medical experts say the vaccine continues to be our best hope against this pandemic. So when will kids 12 and under be able to get their shot?
Team 12's Josh Sanders spoke with Moderna's clinical research manager here in Phoenix as trials have been underway for months.
Well, Moderna and Pfizer launched vaccine trials for kids under 12 back in March as cases continue to rise and more kids are back in school.
We want to make sure that the vaccines are safe, especially with our children.
Jason Wallace is the manager of clinical operations for Moderna's pediatric vaccine trial here in Phoenix, one of 8 trial sites in the U.S., enrolling in groups nearly 7,000 children in the study. One of them, 9-year-old Jacob Best, who we spoke with in June.
I thought I'd help kids all over the country get their COVID-19 vaccine.
Moderna was the first of the 3 COVID-19 vaccines authorized for use to launch a trial testing their vaccine on children between the ages of 6 months and less than 12.
It's an ever-changing trial. Moderna's being very meticulous and very thorough on making sure that this is safe and effective for the children.
Nearly 72,000 pediatric cases were reported last week. As of July, 4.2 million children testing positive for COVID, children and teens now representing 19% of cases. Wallace says there is high demand from parents eager to get their kids the shot.
I think we have about 3,000 people right now just on the waiting list. And it's difficult because only a certain number of slots are being opened, at a time. This is happening across the world, this study, obviously. So they're looking for different demographics.
Both Moderna and Pfizer launched trials back in March and are expecting to present results to the Food and Drug Administration this fall with hopes of emergency use authorization in early to midwinter. But Wallace says the timeline isn't certain and safety is the priority.
Making sure that we get the right dosage too, that's going to show, the most efficacy, with the children.
Josh Sanders, 12 News.
Josh, thanks.